Is it possible to find the area of this portion? Welcome back to my channel. Now this is a square. ABCD is a square. Okay? A, B, C, D is a square. And we are asked to find the area of this portion. Okay? Now, first of all, let us call AB. Let length AB be equal to small a. So that way I'll have from here to here to be equal to A. Okay? Now let's call this place. This is A, B, C, D. Let's call here E and this place F. Okay? This is F. Now let's EB be equal to X. Alright? That means AE will be equal to A minus X. So we have A minus X here. Because this is a square, because ABCD is a square, so it means that BC is also equal to A, DC is also equal to A, and AD is also equal to A, right? Alright, first, let's call this angle alpha. If this is alpha, that is angle BCE. BCE. If BC is equal to alpha, this implies that angle BEC, so this implies that angle BEC will be equal to 90 minus alpha, right? Okay, since this is 90 degrees already. So now here we have here to be 90 minus alpha. Now, next thing, let us look at this. Now remember that angle on a straight line is 180, right? So it means that this angle here plus this angle plus this angle here should be equal to 180. So if this is 90 minus alpha and this is 90, so it simply means that this place is what? Alpha. Okay, and we have 90 minus alpha here as well. Okay, now if you look at what we just did, it simply implies that triangle EBC or BCE, triangle BCE is similar to triangle AEF. Yes, why did I say that? Because angle EBC is equal to angle EAF, which is equal to 90 degrees, right? Now also angle AEF, or let's start with this, angle BCE is equal to angle AEF, and both are alpha. That means the other remaining angle is also equal as from what we are seeing. So definitely this angle is similar to this particular angle. Alright, what does that mean? It simply means that the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. The ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Now let's talk about their ratios. So if we decide to take AE, the side that corresponds to AE we have angle 90 and alpha. We have 90 and alpha, so it corresponds to BC over BC is equal to, now EF should correspond to EC, right? We have 90 minus alpha and alpha. 90 minus alpha and alpha. So it should be EC. And this is equal to, then the last one, let's say angle AE. Okay, we have done that. Angle AF So AF, line AF, which is 90 degrees and 90 minus alpha, 90 and 90 minus alpha should be what? Over BE. Now let us substitute the values. AE is A minus X over BC. BC is A is equal to EF. EF is 2. EC is 3. Is equal to, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell if this is the first time you are seeing this wonderful channel. Give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing, and please, yeah, always tuning at your convenience. There must be something new for you to watch by God's grace. Thank you very much. Now AF is unknown over BE. Now what is our BE? BE is X. Okay. Now solving further, we will say that A minus X divided by A is equal to 2 divided by 3. And we also have that this is equal to this, right? 2 divided by 3 is equal to AF all over X. All right. Now solving further, we will have that okay. So solving further or moving forward, from here, let us cross multiply. Okay, if we cross multiply, we have 2 times A is equal to 2A, and 3 times this will give us is equal to 3 times A minus X. Okay, so we have 2A is equal to 3 times A is 3A, and 3 times minus X is minus 3X. Now, if we transfer this to this side, we have 2A minus 3A is equal to minus 3X. Now, 2A minus 3A will give us minus A. Minus A is equal to minus 3X. Now, if we decide to divide both sides by -1 and -1, we will have that A is equal to 3X. Okay, very important. A is equal to 3X. Let me write it here. So we have A is equal to 3X. Now, we are done with this. Let us check the other one, which is this equation. So we have 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is equal to AF all over X. All right, so we have 2 over 3 is equal to, our AF is unknown, right, over, now our X can be written as, from here, this implies that X is equal to A divided by 3. A divided by 3. Okay, but before that, let's just make AF the subject of the formula by multiplying both sides by X. So let's just do that. Multiplying both sides by X. Multiplying both sides by X. So we are going to have 2 over 3X is equal to AF. All right. So at this point now, we can substitute our X as A over 3. So we now have 2 over 3 multiplied by A over 3, okay, is equal to AF. So 2 times A is 2A. So we have 2A over 3 times 3 is 9 is equal to AF. Now at this point, let us call this, let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. Now this is A and this is 2A over 9 as our AF. Now let us look at this particular equation. So let me copy this so that I can clean this. So we have 2a over 9 is equal to AF, and this is equation 2. All right. Now let us look at triangle. Looking at triangle BCE. So in triangle BCE, okay, we have that using Pythagorean theorem, now using Pythagorean theorem, we have that EC squared will be equal to EB squared plus BC squared. So EC is 3, so we have 3 squared. EB, we have X. BC, we have A. Okay, so we have 9 is equal to, okay, remember that our X, we have A to be 3X, right? Let's substitute here so that we have everything in terms of X here. So our A is 3X, so we have X squared plus 3X squared. So we have 9 is equal to X squared plus, now 3 squared is 9, X squared is X squared. So 9 is equal to 10x squared. So if we divide both sides by 10, we will have 9 over 10 is equal to x squared. So if we take square root of both sides, we are going to have square root of 9 over 10 is equal to square root of x squared. So that way we will have square root of 9 is 3, so 3 over root 10 is equal to what? X. So now we have the value of our x. Okay, let's call this equation 3. Okay, since we have the value of our x, then we can actually find the value of our a. Okay, all right, so this implies that a is equal to 3x. This is 3x. So a is equal to 3 brackets 3 over root 10. Okay, since our x is what? 3 over root 10. So we have a is equal to 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 9 root 10. Let's call this equation 4. Now all these equations are what I need to do what I want to do. All right, so remember that from equation 2, let me write the things we got, please. So let me write the things that we got. So according to equation 3, we have x is equal to 3 over root 10. This is equation 3. And according to equation 4, we have a is equal to 9 over root 10. This is equation 4. All right, now permit me to clean every other thing. So we are now going to make use of these 4 important equations to solve for this. So first of all, we need our AF. Okay, so our AF, remember from equation 2, AF is 2a over 9. But AF is 2a over 9, which is equal to 2 times our a is 9 over root 10. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by 9 over root 10. Okay, divided by 9. So our AF will be equal to 2 times 9, which is 18 over root 10, multiplied by 1 over 9. Right? So if we should divide this by this, we have 2. So this implies that AF is equal to 2 over root 10. 2 over root 10. Yeah. So we have gotten our AF to be 2 over root 10. So let's write that. AF is 2 over root 10. Alright. So this is our equation 5. Now, we already have the value for here. 2 over root 10. Permit me to fill this ink, please. So AF is 2 over root 10. Now FD, remember that FD will be equal to AD minus AF. AD minus AF. So FD will be equal to, our AD is equal to A, right? So it will be A minus what? AF. So FD will be equal to, remember that our A is what? Where is it? A is 9 over root 10. 9 over root 10. Minus AF is 2 over root 10. So that implies that our FD will be equal to 9 minus 2, which is 7 over root 10. Alright, so you are going to permit me to clean this again. I'm trying to manage my board. So that means our FD from here to here is 7 over root 10. So here is 7 over root 10. Yeah, that is our FD. Alright, so FD is equal to 7 all over root 10. Now, I think at this point we have everything. I think everything we need to get this particular area. Now, permit me to, so this 7 over root 10, permit me to join this line to this place, okay? So if I do that, that means we now have 2 triangles inside the area that we are asked to find. The first triangle is, remember this is 90. First triangle is triangle CEF, and the second triangle is triangle CDF. Okay, so at this point we have, I don't think, do I still need this? Do I still need this? Okay, let's just keep it just in case. So area of the shaded portion, okay, the shaded area will now be area of triangle CEF. So area of triangle CEF plus area of triangle CDF. CDF. Area of triangle CDF. Alright, so the shaded area now should be equal to, so this implies that the shaded area should be equal to, area of triangle CEF is half base times height. So half times the base times height. If we take this as our base, which is what? 3, multiplied by the height, our height, which is what? 2, then plus half base, the base of CDF. If we take this as our base, which is A, and remember that A is 9 over 10, 9 over root 10. Okay, multiplied by the height should be FD, which is 7 over root 10. Over root 10. This is 7. Okay, so the shaded area then should be equal to half, this we remove this, so we have 3 remaining here, plus 9 times 7 is 63, so we have 63 divided by root 10 multiplied by root 10 is 10. So we have this to solve. This is what we have to solve to get our answer. So the shaded area should be equal to, the LCM of 1 and 10 is 10. When 1 divides 10, we have 10. 10 times 3 is 30, plus, when 10 divides 10, we have 1. 1 times 63 is 63. So we have the shaded area is 93 over 10. I hope I'm not wrong. Oh. We have to remain in here. Okay. So this should be 2 times 10, which is 20. So this should be over 20. And this should be 20. All right. And if that is the case, the LCM is 20, right? Sorry. The LCM is 20. So when one divides 20, we have 20. 20 times 3 is 60. Lowest. When 20 divides itself, we have 1. 1 times 63 is 63. So we have 60 plus 63. 60 is 120 plus 3 is 123 divided by 20. And this should be the answer in units squared. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.